Hey, thanks for tuning in, all you gorgeous bake monkeys out there. Today we're making homemade fudge stripes. This is where you would insert any kind of questionable soiled underwear material you've got, but we're going to take the high road here and avoid all of that poopy talk, okay? Let's get started here with the cookie itself. The cookie itself is more of just kind of a nice shortbread, similar to my Girl Scout cookie recipes that I've made before. We're just gonna go with a pretty basic sugar, butter, and flour recipe here. Follow along and you're gonna really enjoy these babies. And once again, we're gonna start with our hand mixer. We're gonna whip all the ingredients up together real nicely until we get to the flour. When we get to the flour, we add that in and we kind of fold it in nice and gently with our bowl scraper. It just gives your cookie a little bit more delicate structure. Now when it comes to shaping your cookies, a lot of people are going to roll this dough out and cut it out with a cookie cutter, frankly. I like to kind of mold it by hand. Don't ask me why, I'm just kind of a kook. You might know that by now. But maybe it makes me feel a little bit more secure. It's an uncontrollable world out there, and this just gives me a little bit of control over my cookies, if nothing else. Once your sweet little heartthrobs are baked to perfection, pull them out and let's prepare the chocolate for the fudge stripes. We're going to start with a half a cup of, I'm doing milk chocolate. You guys do whatever kind of chocolate you like. If you like dark, that's fine. Semi-sweet, totally cool. I just prefer the taste of milk chocolate. I also like dark chocolate, but not on cookies so much. Get that all melted with some coconut oil. And you don't want a totally drippy consistency. You still want it a little thick so it's going to hold on to the cookie. And if my hands are looking a little drier than usual, it's because this whole coronavirus epidemic is making everybody's hands dry from washing them so much. I'm starting to feel a little bit like a lizard here with this dry skin. But stay safe. And don't eat cookies from anybody with coronavirus. You're going to use that extra chocolate that you set aside in your sandwich bag for the drizzling here. So doesn't that look so nice and sweet? And after you get them all pulled off and they're all looking spit spot, hot to trot, you can start eating them. Guys, in all sincerity, stay safe out there in this time of quarantine. Brush up on your baking skills and click subscribe. Enjoy the recipe.